New road unlocked. Ready na kayo? Ay, di pa pa. Ito yung running prep. Oh my gosh. Oh, magmakdo ka na lang, Rona. Nakano kayo na sa loob, diba?
Doble ka na nga.
Ay, di pala. Nakakita pala. Hello, guys. So, we are about to cross the runway. Very cloudy. We're gonna be running from here all the way to paganon siguro yan, no? Oh, Bittergourd. Wow.
Talbos din yun, diba? Palaya.
Oh.
Hi guys, may pet chai. For today's
Petchay.
video.
Ito, ano to? Peanut.
Ay, oo.
Peanuts?
Hindi ba okra yan?
Yeah.
Ayan po. Nagbabalak na po kung paano pitikin yung spinach.
Petchay. Ang aking fresh petchay. Kangkong. Wow. Kala ko garden ko.
Ang kakangkungan ni Jose.
Garden. New road unlocked.
Nakikita nyo ba yan, guys?
Ayun na yan.
Akin yan. Taray. Medyo harap ka naman. Oh, model. Pak! Pak!
Native. Ilang kilometers? 7.8. Ay, 7. Bongga na yun. Nakano na. Diba?
Pwede na ito naman pati. Kasi naman na may dalang pandesal.
Lagi. Kain tayo, guys. Yan na. Tapos, ngunit.
Hindi siya masakit sa...
Oh!
Seven.
Obviously, I am still here in the province of Aklan. Guys, I know that it has been a year since the last time I uploaded a video and I'm so sorry for that. It's good to be back stronger, guys. We've been running for almost 2 months now. Let me bite first because I'm really hungry right now, guys. Very good. So we usually wake up at 4:30. Then I make my coffee. Then we're done. And once we come back, I still have my coffee and I'm gonna drink it while having my breakfast. This year, I'm not sure if I will be celebrating Fiesta in Lawaan because I have a trip coming. So that's gonna be in Japan. So hopefully I can also vlog that one. We also have a coming marathon which we are preparing That's why we are doing the cardio, the lifting, and all that endurance training. So hopefully guys, I can still upload more videos during Kalibo. I love it when it's hot or when it's cold. So yeah, I'm happy that we are starting this vlog with stronger and healthier body. Anyway, I did my breakfast. This is beef tapa, I think, and fried rice. So this is my high protein breakfast. Kalibo now feels like a dead town actually, since I think all the flights going to Boracay are more on the Katiklan area. There's a minimal tourist that is coming here. I'm not sure until what is the government's plan about that. And yeah, thank you guys for watching and see you all again on my next video. Bye!